Good evening, I'm Shamika Neely. IU health officials now say nearly 200 employees will leave the company in protest of a requirement to get a flu shot. An IU expert says the move seems to conflict with a nearly 50-year-old law. 8 IU health employees recently lost their jobs for refusing to get an influenza vaccination, even though some of them filed paperwork seeking an exemption on religious or other grounds. IU Kelley School of Business professor Jamie Prinkert says the Civil Rights Act dictates employers should accommodate beliefs or give an exception from a policy unless the exception would cause a burden on an employer.
It covers discrimination on the basis of religion. And so not only does Title VII say it's unlawful for an employer that is covered by Title VII to discriminate against someone because they are a particular religion or faith.
Monroe County Health Department Administrator Penny Caudle says the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention recommend everyone who's at least 6 months old be vaccinated each year to maintain public health.
So recommend it for all U.S. healthcare workers to be vaccinated annually. And part of that concern is not just to keep us safe, but to also not spread infection to someone who may be at high risk.
In a release, spokeswoman Whitney Ertl says IU Health expects to lose approximately 175 employees who refuse the flu vaccine. The National Transportation Safety Board is recommending laws requiring drunk drivers to have a device installed on their car after their first offense, but lawmakers say such requirements may not pass in Indiana this legislative session. The device in question is called an ignition interlock device. It uses a breathalyzer to check a driver's blood alcohol level and will automatically stop the car if the reading exceeds the legal limit. Monroe County Sheriff Jim Kennedy says putting breathalyzers in cars may help curb drunk driving. Bloomington police officials say over the past 3 years, 637 people have been cited for driving under the influence. Let's take a look at your weather. Tonight, mostly clear, lows in the upper 20s. Tomorrow, Thursday, an 80% chance of rain showers, highs in the mid 40s. Tomorrow night, it's going to be a 90% chance of rain and lows in the lower 40s. A quick look at your 5-day forecast. On Friday, mostly cloudy, a 70% chance of rain, highs in the lower 60s, lows in the upper 40s. Saturday, mostly cloudy, a 70% chance of rain, highs in the upper 50s, lows in the lower 30s. And on Sunday, mostly cloudy, a 50% chance of rain.